Enhancing productivity is essential for maintaining competitiveness in the market. That productivity can be achieved by implementing maintenance and reliability solutions to improve assets' health, since the lack of data-driven insights can have a significant impact, leading to various issues such as machine failure and breakdown, unplanned production downtime, or increased maintenance cost. Our maintenance and reliability solutions are aimed at enhancing equipment performance, increasing throughput, and improving overall efficiency, while reducing overall costs. Whether your assets are located above or below water, we have the appropriate solution to enhance the health and performance of your machinery. The maintenance of water-related infrastructure or oil and gas pipelines requires special maintenance solutions, as these places are normally hard to reach and operate in. Our solutions are designed to reach even the hardest locations to offer a quick and complete insight of water-related assets. Using remotely controlled underwater robots that are equipped with the latest sensor technology, we offer safe operations that minimize downtime in any environment and maximize OPEX. We can inspect assets such as seawalls, jetties, docks, water or oil and gas pipelines, or any water-related infrastructure such as offshore platforms, dams or bridges. Contact Saab RDS for more information or visit us at www.saabrs.com.